And God said, let us make man in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion. What do you have? Let them have dominion. I said, what do you have? Dominion. And then in verse 27, so God created man in his own image. In the image of God created he him. Male and female created he them. Christ is able to restore, to repair whatever Adam lost. In our lives, in our ministries, he will restore everything we lost in Adam. Think about it. If God can keep you free from sin in one day, he can do it in the following day. He can do it for a whole week. He can do it every day, one day at a time. If God can keep you strong and healthy one day, he can do it 2 days, right? He can do it 7 days in the week. He can do it the rest of your life. At least he said, I will put none of these diseases upon you, which are brought upon the Egyptians. I am Jehovah Rapha. I am the Lord that healeth thee. You're healed in Jesus' name.
Thanks for watching. Believe you have been blessed from today's wisdom and instruction. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, comment and turn on notifications to always get our latest episode.